Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into some of the coolest gadgets that can enhance your daily life. We'll explore the AOHI Starship 2-in-1 power bank and power station, perfect for keeping your devices charged on the go, and the Rolling Square TAU2 power bank, which offers sleek portability and high capacity. We'll also take a look at the Olight Oclip clip light for convenient lighting, the Proclaim Custom Jet Oral Health System for a revolutionary approach to dental care, and the stylish 32 degrees N MUIR Sunglasses to protect your eyes in style. Plus, don't miss the SunShader V3.5 laptop shade for working outdoors, the Inwa portable Bluetooth speaker for great sound on the move, and the SwitchBot Lock Pro for smart home security. The Olight Oclip Clip Light is a versatile, compact gadget designed for convenience and reliability. It features a 200 lumen max output, which is impressive for such a small size, making it perfect for everyday tasks or emergencies. The clip-on design allows you to attach it to your backpack, pocket, or even a hat, offering hands-free lighting for various activities like reading, working, or hiking at night. Its 360-degree rotation function ensures the light can be directed exactly where you need it. With a USB-C rechargeable battery, it's easy to keep powered up, and its lightweight, durable body ensures it can withstand regular use. Whether you're camping or just need a reliable light source on the go, the Olight Oclip delivers flexibility and power in a tiny package. The AOHI Starship 2-in-1 power bank and power station is a versatile device that combines the functionality of a portable power bank and a power station in one compact design. With its 10,000 mAh battery, it provides fast charging for your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, making it ideal for on-the-go use. The 65-watt output ensures rapid charging for larger devices like MacBooks, while the dual USB-C and USB-A ports allow you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It's designed with a smart LED display that shows real-time battery status and charging power, so you're always informed. The power station function makes it perfect for both travel and outdoor adventures, as it can charge a variety of devices and gadgets with ease, while still being lightweight and portable. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just need reliable backup power, the AOHI Starship 2-in-1 has you covered. The SwitchBot Lock Pro is a game-changer for home security, turning your existing deadbolt into a smart lock without requiring any complex installations. With its sleek design, the Lock Pro seamlessly attaches to your deadbolt and can be controlled via your smartphone, allowing you to lock or unlock your door from anywhere. It supports remote access, so you can grant entry to friends or family even when you're not home. Plus, it's equipped with a fingerprint scanner for quick access, and its built-in door sensor notifies you if your door is left ajar. With strong encryption technology, you can trust that your home is secure. The SwitchBot Lock Pro also integrates with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making it incredibly user-friendly. Overall, this gadget not only enhances your security, but also brings convenience to your daily routine. The SunShader V3.5 is a must-have gadget for anyone working outdoors or in bright environments. This portable laptop shade easily attaches to your screen, reducing glare and making it easier to see your display, even in direct sunlight. It's compatible with a wide range of laptop sizes, offering adjustable straps to fit snugly, and its foldable design makes it super easy to carry around. Plus, it not only improves visibility, but also helps protect your device from overheating by providing shade. Whether you're working at the beach, in a park, or a sunny cafe, the The SunShader V3.5 ensures you can stay productive without straining your eyes or worrying about screen visibility. The Proclaim Custom Jet Oral Health System is a game-changer for anyone serious about their oral hygiene. Unlike traditional toothbrushes, this gadget uses a high-powered, targeted water jet that can reach deep between teeth and along the gum line to remove plaque, food particles, and bacteria that brushing alone can miss. With customizable pressure settings, it's gentle enough for sensitive gums, but powerful enough to tackle stubborn buildup. The rotating nozzle provides 360-degree coverage, ensuring every angle of your mouth gets cleaned. Plus, it's designed with an easy-to-fill reservoir, making it quick and convenient to use daily. For those with braces, implants, or other dental work, the Proclaim Custom Jet is particularly effective, helping to keep everything clean and fresh while promoting better gum health. Whether you're aiming for a deep clean or just maintaining your everyday oral care, this gadget takes your routine to the next level. The Rolling Square TAU 2 Power Bank is a compact and ultra-portable charging solution that fits right on your keychain. Weighing just 42 grams, it's incredibly lightweight but powerful enough to provide up to 1,400 milliamp hours of battery life, making it perfect for emergency top-ups. The TAU2 features built-in cables for both USB-C and Lightning devices, meaning no extra cords are needed. Its magnetic charging dock ensures it's always ready when you are. Just pop it back onto the dock when not in use. With its sleek, minimalist design and ultra-convenience, the TAU2 is ideal for people who are always on the go, but don't want to lug around bulky power banks. The 32 N MUIR sunglasses are not your average pair of shades. These stylish sunglasses come with an innovative electrochromic lens that allows you to adjust the tint at the press of a button. Whether you're walking in bright sunlight or moving into the shade, you can instantly switch between 3 levels of darkness, optimizing your vision in any lighting condition. The lenses also offer 100% UV protection, keeping your eyes safe from harmful rays, while the lightweight frame ensures comfort for all-day wear. With a sleek, modern design and high-tech functionality, the 32 degrees North MUIR sunglasses are perfect for those who want both style and convenience on the go. The Inwa portable Bluetooth speaker is a compact yet powerful gadget designed for on-the-go audio. With its sleek design and lightweight build, it's perfect for travel, outdoor activities, or just lounging at home. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive sound quality, featuring deep bass and clear treble, ensuring your music sounds great anywhere. It pairs effortlessly with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop via Bluetooth, providing up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. Plus, it's equipped with a built-in microphone, allowing you to take hands-free calls without interrupting your music. Durable, stylish, and practical, the Inwa Bluetooth speaker is the ultimate portable audio companion. That's it for our gadget roundup. We hope you found these products as exciting as we do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.